Hello, JNM Reviews here. And if you are looking for an spacious bag, stay here with me because I want to talk about my free sample by TOPDesign. So I love this free sample and I love the color. Mine is a black with roses, which is so feminine. And what I like about the bag, come with me and check it out. So it has this little baggie that you can put here, wallet, keys, or anything that you need. But this is the large size of the bag. So if you can see here, it has this for your shoulder, but it also has this that you can just put the whole thing on. This is the large size. One thing that I like, has three pockets in the front. So you can put your bag, you can put, you can put your phone or you can put your keys. Also it has here more pockets. So it has a total of six here, a total of six in the back as well. And it has a large space inside the bag. So here is for the computer, for your laptop. You put it here, it has some cushion, you close it, and then here inside, look, this is my yoga block. This is some jelly mats that I have, and it has more pockets. So it has about like eight pockets inside the bag. Also, it has a zipper. And what I like about this bag too is that the bag is machine washable and you can just put it in the washer, throw it in the dryer, or let it dry with the air. And it's great for different professions. If you need to be walking around carrying books, carrying papers, carrying even medical stuff, you can also put it here. And it's so spacious. I also like it as a grocery bag because there are some places that you have to take your own bag to carry your food. And this is perfect for that. And it's also so beautiful and so stylish. And you can put here phone and keys and you're ready to fit a lot of stuff in this bag. So I hope you like my review. I hope you check them out because they do have different colors and different styles. Thank you for watching my video.